Hey everyone, in the video today I want to talk about a common mistake that can be made with wide angle lenses, and I'll share with you how you can fix it. So why are wide angle lenses so popular with landscape photographers? Well, the main reason is it allows us to capture so much of the grand scene, and we're able to get so many layers of detail through the frame, particularly our foreground matter. When it comes to using the wide angle, one thing I see people do time and time again is stand too far back from the foreground. Let me show you. So this morning, what we have here is the quintessential landscape scene. We've ticked all the boxes here. We've got the sunrise light, mountains, forest, and then this lovely stream running through the frame. So the creek is going to make for a great foreground. It's going to flow the eye into the background where the main subject matter is. But this is where we can get things wrong and really create a completely different image. If I'm sitting here, for example, yeah, I am close to the stream, but it's just not close enough. And this is the main lesson I want to teach you. Closer, closer, closer. When it comes to the wide angle, you've got to get unusually close. You'll be surprised how much you can fit into the frame. And I'm referring to here anywhere from 20 mil right down to 12 mil on a full frame camera. So you'll see when I shoot from this perspective, the elements are all there, but look how different it looks when we get in close. Look how close we are now. We are right in there. And as I frame things up, the composition is completely different to when we were literally just a few feet in that direction. Getting down lower and closer is creating a completely different image compared to when we were literally just a few feet over there. This type of perspective creates a bigger impact in your frame, and it also creates a greater sense of depth because all these details are so much bigger and more revealed to the viewer. The eye is going to latch onto that naturally and then flow through the scene. When I'm further away, with those details being smaller, the eye is almost more prone to just skim over them straight to the midground. So when you're using that wide angle, consider that proximity to foreground matter. Let's take a shot now and look at the result. So you can see now how it looks in this frame, and let's compare that to the previous one. Completely different images. Now, of course, you don't want to get too close and then you're overemphasizing that foreground. I know I've been guilty of that in the past. So just find that sweet point, that happy medium. And I know it really doesn't feel natural. If you're not used to using a wide angle, it might feel so strange getting that close. But the way the wide angle sees the world is so different to how the human eye sees it. So anyway, I hope that tip helps. It's going to make a big difference in your photography. I hope to see you in the next video. Cheers.